days in financial markets history.
It was a manic Monday in the financial.
12,000 का लेवल टूटते हुए हमने 2 दिन पहले देखा और
Compared to the 2008 fall, the 2020 market correction has happened really fast. Here's a quick guide on what you should do. In the last 20 years, the market has fallen a number of times. Now, every time this has happened, long-term investors were able to use their SIP to average down the entry price. For example, in 2008, the Nifty 50 fell 60% from its peak. After some years, the patience paid off, giving a good return to investors. In 2020, keep your SIP on. Your SIP investments are currently buying you higher units than before, and your average cost of acquiring mutual fund units is going down. So basically, as the markets fall, your SIP averages your entry price downwards. If and when markets do rise, you can benefit from the large number of mutual fund units that you bought through your SIP. Your investments may get opportunity to buy good companies at lower valuations. Now, Axis Mutual Fund is using this opportunity to steadily invest in a portfolio of strong companies that are likely to withstand the economic slowdown or will emerge stronger from it. Your scheme is steadily investing in shares of good quality and fundamentally strong companies. Your job is to stay focused on your goals, stay patient, and use this opportunity to learn.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.